Hello everyone, welcome to our April 30th, Tuesday, April 30th, 8 p.m. one box break of Rookies and Stars Panini, one hobby box. 24 packs, 8 cards in the pack, and we are looking for about 4 hits, it says, per box. 2 autos, 2 relics. So good luck to everyone. We'll get started now. This is being recorded. It'll be up on YouTube about half hour after the break is over. Empty box. Let's see what we get. Got Brian Urlacher, Wes Walker, Filler, Adrian Peterson, True Blue, Chandler Harnish, Julio Jones, Blaine Gabbert, Rashid Mendenhall, and Brandon Lloyd. Ryan Fitzpatrick, Dwayne Bowe, Filler. We've got a Washington Redskins pennant. Insert. Nice Alfred Morris rookie, Redskins. Tony Romo. Let me adjust this light here. Tony Romo, Ahmad Bradshaw, San Antonio Holmes, and Jared Cook. Robert Meacham, Aaron Hernandez, got a DeMarcus Ware, statistical standouts, insert, not numbered, Chandler Jones, Aaron Rodgers, Reggie Bush, Damian Williams, Titans, and a Vincent Jackson. Eric Decker, Larry Fitzgerald, Brian Cushing, Marvin McNutt rookie, Colt McCoy, Jimmy Graham, Matt Hasselbeck, and Troy Polamalu. Scott Chandler, Des Bryant, Derek Johnson, Greatest Hits, insert, No number. Rookie Cyrus Gray for the Chiefs. Titus Young. Matt Ryan. Josh Freeman for the Buccaneers. And Jeremy Maclin. Mark Sanchez. Matt Schaub. Ed Reed. Melvin Ingram. Reggie Wayne. Steve Smith, Panthers. Sidney Rice, Seahawks. And Darius Hayward Bay, Raiders. Steve Johnson. Carlos Dansby. Dolphins. And we've got a Seattle Seahawks pennant. Insert. Courtney Upshaw. Trying to adjust these lights here. Get it off the card. Courtney Upshaw. Miles Austin. Hakeem Nicks. Carson Palmer. And Roy Halou, Redskins. Jermaine Grisham. Mark Ingram. Troy Polamalu, Greatest Hits. Insert. Matt Khalil, Vikings. Greg Jennings, Packers. Ray Rice, Ravens. Alex Smith, Niners. And Fred Davis, Redskins. Fred Jackson, Bills. Derek Johnson, Chiefs. AJ Green, Bengals. And our first hit, rookie materials, Brock Osweiler, Denver Broncos, longevity, patch, rookie materials. Nice looking card. And it is numbered 27 of 249. Brock Osweiler patch. Rookie materials. Nice hit. Whoop. Sorry, forgot the rest of the pack here. Travis Benjamin, Mike Thomas, Marquise Colston, Nate Washington, and Phillip Rivers for the Chargers. Ray Lewis, Matt Castle, Chiefs, Nick Perry, Packers, True Blue, rookie, and those aren't numbered. Rookie Levante David for the Buccaneers. Devin Hester. Brandon Pettigrew. Ryan Matthews. And Mike Williams for the Buccaneers. William McGahee, Broncos. Beanie Wells, Cardinals. Cam Newton, insert statistical standouts. No number, insert. Shea McClellan, rookie for the Bears. Maurice Jones-Drew, Jaguars. Lance Briggs, Bears. James Laurinaitis, Rams. And Deshaun Jackson, Eagles. Owen Daniels for the Texans. Second hit, autograph, Donta Hightower for the Patriots. Rookie. And that is numbered 96 of 999. Donta Hightower, auto, rookie. And we have a Eli Manning Giants pennant, insert. And a Donta Hightower, rookie, same pack, not autographed, base. Tom Brady, Patriots. Jason Witten, Cowboys. Doug Baldwin, Seahawks. And Darren McFadden, Raiders. And we've got Ben Jarvis, Green Ellis, Bengals. DeMarcus Ware, Cowboys. Brian Urlacher, Greatest Hits, Bears, insert. No number. Orson Charles, rookie, Bengals. Brandon Jacobs, 49ers. Jermichael Finley, Packers. Jabbar Gaffney, Patriots. And Frank Gore, 49ers. Jason Pierre-Paul, Giants. Charles Woodson, Packers. And a third hit, Mark Ingram, autograph for the Saints. And that is numbered. Number 3 of 25, Mark Ingram, autograph for the Saints. Bobby Wagner, Seahawks. Torrey Smith, Ravens. Mercedes Lewis, Jaguars. Ryan Kerrigan, Redskins. And Michael Crabtree, 49ers. Josh Cribbs, Bengals. Aaron Johnson, Texans. Michael Turner, Falcons, True Blue. Nick Perry, rookie, Packers. Victor Cruz, Giants. Jordy Nelson, Packers. Rex Grossman, Redskins. And Mike Tolbert, Panthers. Fred Jackson, Bills. Derek Johnson, Chiefs. Von Miller, Broncos, greatest hits, insert. And a B.J. Cunningham, rookie, Dolphins. Joe Flacco for the Ravens. Peyton Hillis for the Chiefs. Antonio Gates, Chargers. And Chris Johnson for the Titans. A.J. Green, Bengals. Drew Brees for the Saints. Von Miller for the Broncos. And our fourth hit, David Wilson. I don't know if we can see that. There we go. David Wilson. Jersey. Rookie materials for the Giants. And that is number 124 of 249. Nice looking card. We could get it in focus there. There we go. Super shiny. It's hard to keep in focus. And it's a longevity. Okay, and we now have Levon Brazil, Colts. Darren Sproles for the Saints. Calvin Johnson, Lions. Antonio Brown, Steelers. And Garrett Brown, Tampa Bay. Tim Tebow for the Jets, not anymore. Kevin Cobb for the Cardinals. A statistical standout, Eli Manning for the Giants. Insert, not numbered. Rookie, Marvin Jones for the Bengals. Matt Forte for the Bears. Jared Allen for the Vikings. LaShawn McCoy, Shady for the Eagles. And Marshawn Lynch for the Seahawks. Sean Green for the Jets. Arian Foster for the Texans. David Meck, True Blue rookie for the Texans. Michael Brockers for the Rams, rookie. Greg Olson, Panthers. Adrian Peterson, Vikings. Michael Bush for the Bears. And Navarro Bowman for the 49ers. Got about 6 more packs. 5 packs left. Matthew Stafford for the Lions. Devon Wiley for the Chiefs, True Blue rookie. Pierre Garçon, True Blue for the Redskins. Greg Childs for the Vikings, rookie. And Mr. Sue for the Lions. Roddy White, Falcons. Kellen Winslow Jr., Seahawks. And Ben Roethlisberger for the Steelers. Early Doucette III for the Cardinals. Donald Brown for the Colts, filler. Brian Urlacher, longevity, insert. Hard to see his name there. And that is numbered 152 of 249 for the Bears. Ryan Lindley for the Cardinals. Austin Collie for the Colts. Jay Cutler for the Bears. Steve Jackson for the Rams. And Michael Vick for the Eagles. D'Angelo Williams, Panthers. Anthony Fasano, Dolphins. Statistical standout, Kyle Arrington for the Patriots. Insert, not numbered. Rookie, Devon Wiley, Chiefs. Or Devin Wiley. Percy Harvin, Vikings. Felix Jones, Cowboys. Tavares Jackson, Seahawks. Plaxico Barris, Jets. Jamal Charles, Chiefs. Rashard Matthews, Dolphins. True Blue, rookie. True Blue, Greg Olson, Panthers. Dan Herron, Bengals, rookie. Christian Ponder, Vikings. Greg Little, Browns. Vernon Davis, 49ers. And Dustin Keller for the Jets. And, oops, sorry, our last pack. Andy Dalton for the Bengals. Rob Gronkowski, Patriots. Filler, statistical standouts, Kyle Arrington. Thought we got that one already. Statistical standouts for the Patriots, Kyle Arrington. There we go. And that is a numbered insert. Number 438 of 500. Kyle Arrington. Rookie, Harrison Smith for the Vikings. Eli Manning for the Giants. Tony Gonzalez, Falcons. Desmond Briscoe for the Buccaneers. And the last card, Mike Wallace for the Steelers. And just to recap our hits. First one is David Wilson. Rookie materials, longevity, jersey. And that is number 124 of 249. Second hit, Mark Ingram, autograph for the Saints. No number. Third hit, Donta Hightower, Patriots. rookie autograph, and that one is numbered 96 of 999. And our fourth hit is a patch. Nice looking patch there. That's Brock Osweiler for the Broncos. And that is number 27 of 249. Brock Osweiler patch. Okay, that does it for tonight. Our break of 2012 Panini Rookie and Stars Football. This is being recorded and will be up on YouTube in about a half hour. We also have coming up this week, Thursday, we have 2011 Panini Certified, which is a nice box. And we also have on Friday Top Strata, one box of that. Both of those are hobby. And if you bid on anything of ours in the past, we'll send you a reminder email of what's coming up that night. That is ending. The auction's ending, so you can have a chance to bid on it then. Okay, great. Thanks for stopping by. Have yourself a good night, and maybe we'll see you tomorrow. Take care.